In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with QuickBooks Online, a powerful tool for managing your business finances. Whether you're running a small startup or managing an established business, QuickBooks can help streamline your accounting processes. Let's dive in and explore how to get you set up for success. First, open your preferred web browser. I recommend using Chrome for the best performance, but you can use any browser you're comfortable with. Head to the QuickBooks Online website by typing quickbooks.intuit.com into the address bar and hitting enter. Once you're on the home page, you'll be greeted with a wealth of information about what QuickBooks can offer. Next, you'll want to choose a plan that suits your business needs. Look to the top menu and click on the pricing button. You'll see a range of options: Simple, Start, Essentials, Plus, and Advanced. Take your time to compare these plans because each comes with its own set of features designed for different business sizes and complexities. Make sure to select the plan that aligns best with your accounting needs and budget. If you're hesitant to commit right away, QuickBooks offers a 30-day free trial. This is a fantastic opportunity to explore the features without financial commitment. You can find the free trial option easily on the pricing page. It's a great way to ensure that QuickBooks is the right fit for you before making a purchase. Once you've decided to move forward, it's time to create or log in to your Intuit account. If you're new to QuickBooks, you'll need to set up a new account using your email and creating a secure password. If you already have an Intuit account, simply log in with your existing credentials. After setting up your account, you'll be prompted to enter your payment information. QuickBooks requires payment details even if you're starting with a free trial, so have your credit card handy. This step is essential for when your trial period ends, ensuring a smooth transition to a paid subscription without interruption. Review all the details carefully and confirm your purchase to finalize your subscription. Now that everything is set up, you're ready to access your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Once you log in, all the powerful tools are at your fingertips. You can immediately start managing invoices, tracking expenses, and getting a comprehensive view of your financial health. By following these steps, you're on your way to efficiently managing your business finances with QuickBooks Online. Stay tuned for more tutorials where we'll dive deeper into individual features and how to make the most of this powerful accounting tool.